Hi guys, it's Marty here from letsbuildwp.com, and in this video we're going to cover what to do if your WordPress admin bar goes missing. So when we're logged into WordPress, we usually have this dark grey bar running along the top of our site that has a few different options and a link back to our dashboard. And this is the WordPress admin bar, but sometimes it can go missing. So if this has happened to you, here are a few things we can do to bring back the missing admin bar on WordPress. Okay, so before we try to get our admin bar back, we just want to double check that we're definitely logged into our WordPress site. I know this seems obvious, but it's definitely something worth checking. So we're just going to add /wp-admin after our domain name, and then hit return on our keyboard to visit the dashboard. If it brings us to the login page instead, we just need to log in, and we'll probably find that the admin bar comes back. But if we're definitely logged in and get brought to our dashboard, we can hover over users on the left and then click your profile. Here we just want to double check that the show toolbar when viewing site option is checked, and if it's not, we just need to check the box and save our changes, and then when we visit our site and refresh the page, we should see that our admin bar comes back. But if you already had the option checked, or for some reason this didn't work, the next thing we're going to do is delete the cookies and cache files from our internet browser to see if this is the problem. And to be honest, most of the time it is. So to do this on Google Chrome, we just need to click the three dots in the top right to open up the options. Then we can hover over History and click History at the top. Now we can click Clear Browsing Data on the left, and then we're going to make sure that cookies and cached files are both checked. Then we just need to click the Clear Data button at the bottom and we're done. If you're using a different browser, you can do a quick Google search for the instructions on how to delete the cookies and cache files, but either way, once we've deleted them, we can go back to our site and refresh the page. We might need to log back in and visit our site again, but when we do, we'll more than likely find that our admin bar is back where it should be. And then finally, if it's still not back, there's one more thing we can try, and that is to delete the caching files from our WordPress site itself. So if you have a caching plugin installed and you know how to use it, just delete the cache and it should bring the admin bar back. Or depending on the hosting company you're using, you may have a built-in caching feature. But if not, just install and activate the free W3 Total Cache plugin. Then once we've activated the plugin, if we hover over where it now says Performance at the top and click Purge All Caches, this should finally fix the problem, and when we visit our site, we should find our admin bar is back to normal. So that's us now at the end of this video, and I really hope you found it helpful. If you managed to get your admin bar back okay, please leave me a comment underneath and let me know which of these methods worked for you. And then finally, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on any new videos or tutorials like this one when they're released. Once again, my name's Marty from letsbuildwp.com, and thank you very much for watching my video.